Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change the language on Polybuzz in 2025. Whether you're switching for travel, accessibility, or just personal preference, this full step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Polybuzz is a fantastic app for staying connected, but sometimes the default language isn't quite right. Let's fix that together. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of Polybuzz installed on your device. Head to your App Store, update if needed, and then launch the app. You'll land on the home screen, where all the action begins. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. This opens your account menu. Step 2. From there, scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. It's straightforward and easy to spot. Step 3. In the Settings menu, look for the Language or App Language option. It might be under a General or Preferences tab. Step 4. Once you tap on Language, you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through and select your preferred one. Polybuzz supports dozens, including English, Spanish, French, and more. Step 5. After selecting, hit Save or Apply Changes to confirm. The app might ask you to restart, so go ahead and do that if prompted. And just like that, your Polybuzz app is now in your chosen language. If you encounter any glitches, double-check your device's overall language settings or reach out to Polybuzz support for help. This simple tweak can make your experience so much more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.